when you're trying to find a doula, I would say just make sure you click with them. And you'll know there's a vibe and there's an energy that you know what I'm saying? Just when I'm interviewing and doing intake and doing consultations, I do free consultations, by the way. That you'll know if it's the right fit for you, and I'll also know if I'm a right fit for you. So it goes both ways, because everybody's not my client, right? And I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna get my money. The God is gonna make sure I'm well taken care of.
You better say that part. That part.
Tell the fool till it overflows.
That part. Yes, ma'am.
So, I would say make sure your doula listens. Listening to me is number one. Because if you're not listening to me, right, and being in that moment, like literally zooming in on that moment and listening to my needs, my voice, my concerns, right, my frustrations, right. How you gonna listen when we're actually doing this thing live? Ain't no redo.
Yeah.
Ain't no redo.
It's coming out. Right.
So listening is number one for me. Kindness is big for me. I'm big on customer service, and I'm big on kindness, because I believe kindness is a universal language, right? It's not going to hurt you to be kind. Right? That's a seed for me. Kindness is a seed for me. So kindness is big for me. Patience is big for me.
It's gonna be big, yeah.
You gotta be patient during the process, because especially if you're dealing with new parents, parents that are LGBTQ, they experience different things too. I'm sure. Just being LGBTQ, right?
Right.
Their whole thing is totally different with being parents. So I'm mindful of that, right? I'm mindful of your situation. I'm mindful of what you've been through. I'm mindful of past health history, right? Because that's important. And commitment. I would say be committed, follow through on the whole thing. If you can't see yourself starting with this person or finishing it, you gotta take that time. So,
Good stuff.